Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week I'm going to show you how to sew a pouch bag. A very simple and easy one, so let's get started. So first off, measure your zipper. My zipper is 25 cm and I'm going to mark it on the fabric. I'm going to go ahead and draw a straight line. Remember, my fabric here is folded into half. Don't forget to add 1 cm seam allowance on both sides. So next I'm going to add interfacing to my fabric because I chose a normal cotton fabric. But you can totally skip this part if you have canvas or even denims, so that will be a better option for fabrics. Adding interfacing is just going to make it a little bit more stiffer and thicker, so yeah. So next we're going to stitch the zipper to the fabric. You can pin them first. Stitch a straight line. So once that's done, we're going to stitch top stitch on top. And that's how it should look like. I'm going to go ahead and do it the same to the other side. Flip it inside out. Remember to open up the zip. Always leave it open just so you can flip it out again later on once you finish stitching. So now we're going to stitch the side seams, so you can pin them. So next I'm going to just open it like this. You will get a triangle shape and pin it. We will be doing this for all 4 sides. So I'm measuring 4 cm from the corner, just marking it there so I can do a straight stitch line. I'm going to go ahead and stitch these 2 bottom first. So this is how it will look like. Now I'm going to go ahead and do it at the top. This can be quite tricky, but you can do it. Remember not to close the zip. Pinch it and pin it, just like how I did it earlier. So when you're here, make sure you place it right next to each other. Do not overlap it like this, but make sure it's right next to each other. So that's how it will look like. And now I'm going to go ahead and flip it open. And we're done! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also leave a comment below. See you next week!